Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be continuing my series on pros and cons staying at select Disney hotels, specifically in this video, a Disney Vacation Club room at the Villas at Grand Californian Resort and Spa. This is located in Anaheim, California, and it is the smallest DVC collection rooms, so I hope you enjoy my pros and cons of staying this trip and get some information on some upcoming refurbishment and park details that might be impacting your upcoming trip. Stay tuned, and I hope you subscribe and like this video, share it with your friends so that others in the DVC community can understand the pros and cons of staying at each of the Disney Vacation Club properties. Thank you. So for our stay in this, we had two adults staying 3 nights. We were in a one-bedroom villa at Grand Californian, and this room had plenty of space. It is among the larger units of the Disney Vacation Club rooms, just because it is a little bit more spread out, and that you do get an extra bathroom. So that is definitely a pro to start with, and the location cannot be beat. Staying at the Grand Californian, you are about a 5-minute walk to Disneyland Park entrance and a 3-minute walk to Grand Californian Grizzly Peak area, which is really nice because you have that dedicated space for the entrance to the park. Now, a con, which is going to impact your trip if you are going to stay after 2026 or during the year 2026, they are going to be closing an entrance or exit that they used to have on Pixar Pier that was located just right next to the Disneyland Villa, the villas of Grand Californian, which was a nice little perk if you had to get quickly to your room for any reason. Now, the villas are really nice, which is a pro because of the size, but a con, they just went through a refurbishment where they replaced all the appliances, but and added a Murphy bed, which is a pro, but they did not really add anything else. There wasn't a lot of charging, and you could tell that they didn't want to touch the electric work. So if you were sleeping in the living area space, the nearest charger that had nearest plug that had chargers was the kitchen area. So you couldn't really have like a nightstand if you needed to plug something in. Same thing for the master bedroom. We really could only find plugs at the table, where the workstation is, and that was not really conducive. If you are able to, I would definitely recommend bringing your own extender cable if you are staying in these rooms, just because there's not a lot of plugs. I don't know why they didn't think about that for the refurbishment. Also, the bathrooms, they are not, they didn't touch the bathrooms at all either. They still have those sliding doors in the master bathroom, which most of the new refurbishments they've been um, solidifying those walls. But I do think this is a testament to the quality of the furniture that they did place in the Grand Californian rooms. The wood is really nice. Although there may be some dings here and there, overall, I think that the quality of the furniture that they had in the rooms before did withstand the test of time. I did like how, like, in the shower or in the faucets, like they just had a unique character to them that are not found in the newer refurbishments. So I'm glad they kept those touches. Just wish that they would have touched some of the aspects of the bathroom or the electric work so that you could have a more modern room but have those elegant Grand Californian wood touches. Besides that, our con for our room was just it's on the first floor and it faced the pool area. So when we are out on the balcony, the patio, you really didn't have a view. You just had people walking around you. And if you are facing the south side, obviously your room is going to be facing the theme park, which is a better view in my opinion. But for me, I just felt like these are the pros and cons of staying in my particular one bedroom. I hope you go to that room review, that room tour of the one bedroom Grand Californian villa and see for yourself whether or not you would want to book that for your stay. Now, would I stay at Grand Californian again? Of course I would. Just I do like the location and the ambiance. I'd love for the holidays that you're not too far away from the lobby, so you can partake in all of the festivities in the lobby. And you are centrally located at the Disneyland Resort, whether the Pixar Pier or the Disneyland Villas. They are a little bit further away from where everything is happening in the park. Anyways, I appreciate you staying to the end of this video and hope you watch all of my other pros and cons videos as well as my room tours as I try to upload those as often as I can. And I'll see you in the next one.